Namah Shivaya. Jai Shri Mahakal Prabhu, Mahakaleshwar, the Lord of Time and beyond. Welcome to Mahakaleshwar, the one who is the Lord of Time, the Slayer of Death, Mahakal itself. Today, I take you on a spiritual journey beyond the physical, beyond time, into the internal realm of Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga, a place where Lord Shiva resides as the supreme destroyer of time, where time ends and eternity begins. Nestled in the heart of Ujjain, one of India's most sacred ancient cities, lies the mighty Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas where Lord Shiva is worshipped in his most fierce and all-compassing form. But this isn't just a temple, it's a gateway to liberation, a divine palace where time is not linear, the cycle of life and the death is merely an illusion. Ujjain, once called Avanti, is described in scriptures as the navel of the universe, the center of time, the prime meridian of ancient India. Why here? Because there is where Shiva lives as Mahakal, the Lord who controls time, not merely watches it. The legend of Mahakaleshwar, birth of fierce light. According to the Shiv Purana, the city of Ujjain was once ruled by a noble king named Chandrasena. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva and worshipped him daily. One day, a young man named Shikhar, hearing the king chant Lord Shiva's name, was drawn to the temple and began to meditate there. At the same time, powerful demons Dushana and Raktavija attacked the city to stop the rising devotion. When all seemed lost, the child's innocent prayers and the king's unwavering faith shook the cosmos. Lord Shiva emerged, not in a gentle form, but in Mahakal Avatara. The timeless, formless, the deathless energy. With one fierce roar, he destroyed the demons and their illusion of power. At that moment, a divine Jyotirlinga, a column of pure cosmic fire, appeared on earth, and thus was born Sri Mahakaleshwar. Jai Sri Mahakal. Mahakaleshwar, the only south-facing Jyotirlinga. Unlike the other 11 Jyotirlingas, Mahakaleshwar faces the south, the direction of Yama, the Lord of Death. Why? Because Mahakal is death to death itself. He stands in the direction from which death comes, not to accept it, but to command it. It is believed that those who truly worshipped Mahakaleshwar are freed from the fear of death and rebirth. Their karmic bonds dissolve and the soul finds moksha, liberation. The Bhasma Arti, worshipped with ashes. Each morning before dawn, a rare and sacred ritual takes place. The Bhasma Arti, where Lord Shiva is worshipped using ashes, not from incense or sacred fires, but traditionally from the funeral pyres. Because Mahakal is not just the Lord of creation and preservation, he is the dissolution. Mahakal reminds us, everything you see shall return to dust. So, live not in fear of the end, but in devotion of the eternal. The Bhasma Arti is not morbid, it is deeply symbolic. It celebrates life, death, and rebirth as part of one divine circle. Spiritual powers and tantric energies at Mahakaleshwar Temple. Mahakaleshwar Temple is not only a place of ritual and pilgrimage, but also one of the most powerful tantric energy centers in India. Yogis, sages, and seekers have meditated here for centuries. It is said that the temple resonates with the energy of Muladhara Chakra, awakening one's latent potential and grounding the soul. Near Mahakaleshwar is the shrine of Kal Bhairava, another fierce form of Lord Shiva, the protector of Ujjain and the guardian of time. Mahakaleshwar in scriptures. The Skand Purana and the Shiv Purana sings the glory of this Jyotirlinga. Among all lingas, the linga at Ujjaini is the most sacred, as Mahadev himself resides there as Mahakal, the destroyer of all evils and the liberator of the soul. Saints like Adi Shankaracharya have praised Mahakal as the source of transcendental knowledge. Even the Kumbh Mela held every 12 years in Ujjain echoes of cosmic energy that radiates from the land of Mahakal. The Shahi Savari. The Shahi Savari, the royal procession of Lord Shiva. Every Monday during the holy month of Shravan, a royal procession called Shahi Savari takes place. A majestic ideal of Lord Mahakal is taken through the streets of Ujjain, accompanied by music, chants, elephants, and millions of devotees. It is a moment of divine celebration. When time walks among mortals and every soul sings Har Har Mahadev. Mahakal. Mahakal teaches us a lesson that is eternal. All things in life are temporary: youth, power, wealth, but the soul, the Atma, is indestructible. Time governs all, but Mahakal governs time. To surrender at his feet is to rise above fear, above loss, even above death. Jai Shri Mahakal. So, when you enter the sanctum of Mahakaleshwar, do not ask for riches or success. Ask for wisdom. Ask for freedom from fear. Ask for the courage to face life's impermanence with devotion, because in the end, only one name echoes in silence, the name of Mahakal. He who holds the trident and the time, he who dances in the ashes of ego, and he who worships. You are not his body. You are eternal. Bow down to Mahakaleshwar, the king of time, the death of death, the Lord of the end and beyond. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shri Mahakal, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.